Okay, so for our class, there's a second type of project that we're going to be using, and I want to show you how to start that project as well. And it is just as simple as starting a playground, although the result is a little bit more complicated. And we're actually going to be creating an app in Xcode. So once again, I'm going to fire up Xcode. I think you can probably handle the details of that. So in Xcode, now I'm going to create a new project. And this time I'm going to choose app, not app playground. And this is different than the playground that we created before, but I'm going to create an app. I'm going to choose next. And I'm going to give my app a name. I'm going to leave interface at Swift UI, language at Swift. Testing and storage, I'm just going to leave them as they are. And you will have different information under team and organization. These are my own personal ones. So the main thing here is the product name. So I'm going to say hello world. And I'm actually going to put A1 in front of that because that's assignment 1. And I'll go to next. And then it's going to ask me where to put it. I'm going to put it on my desktop. You should put it in a folder somewhere else on your computer. So I'm going to create that on the desktop there. If you don't like a messy desktop, don't do that. So here is my app, and you can see a few things right away. Here's a list of files over here. We'll get into what these icons do a little bit later as we go through the class. Here's my main code window, and that's the code for contentview.swift. You can see the name of the file up here. And if I open other files, you can see that their names show up here, and I can switch back and forth between the two of them. But the one I'm concerned with right now is contentview.swift. And you can see here that it opens up in the preview pane, which is a really nice feature. As long as there's no errors in my code and it's something that can be previewed, you will see a preview of your code here. So this code right here is generating this view. So if I take everything out of the inside of body here out, and I just write text, hello world, and then there's my first assignment. Okay, so I can say, now if I want to, I can say font, large title to make it bigger. I can say things like foreground color blue to make it blue. You can play around and try different things, but that is how you create an app. So that's different than the playground. We will use both in this class for different purposes. Most of our assignments will be apps, and most of our sandboxes will be done in playgrounds. Not 100% of each, but you kind of get the idea there. And this is our main Xcode interface when we're developing apps. So this is what it looks like, and that's it for this video.